Yo, some people in your life are going to judge you as too sensitive. You're too sensitive. You're just too sensitive. And here's my instruction on what to do with these kind of people that judge you as too sensitive. Because some of you judge yourself as too sensitive, and so the dagger goes right into the spot where you're judging yourself, and it feels like kind of intractable, and you're just like, oh, yeah, you're right, I am too sensitive, and I'm too much, and gosh, I need too much from this relationship, and gosh, if I weren't so sensitive, this relationship would be better. You've bought into their bullshit story that somehow this is your fault, all right? And I just completely disagree with this nonsense. So here's what you want to do and say instead. So if they say you're too sensitive, here's what you can say. I hear you. Sounds like you think I'm too sensitive. Did I get that right? Okay. I am learning to like how sensitive I am because it's a superpower of mine, and it actually helps me a lot in many areas of my life. And it's very challenging here in my relationship with you, because I sometimes judge myself there. And I'm learning to accept this as part of my reality and my nervous system. And I'm starting to like my sensitivity and see it as a gift. And I think actually it's the thing that's going to make this relationship even better. And if you continue to judge me here as too sensitive, you're probably with the wrong person, because I'm as sensitive as I need to be. And yeah, so just by you judging me as too sensitive, you're actually helping me accept my sensitivity more. Thank you for that. And then here's the thing you can add at the end. You actually have to be working on yourself to accept and embrace your sensitivity. You can't just give that lip service and then continue to judge yourself. Like, it's going to go nowhere. So you need to consistently do the work to embrace your sensitivity and how fucking awesome it is. All right? Because there's a lot of good in this world that your sensitivity could help with, right? Okay. Leave a comment below if this was helpful.